Have you ever wondered if something as small as a berry could make a big difference in how you age? Most people think of berries as just a sweet treat or a topping for dessert. But what many don't realize is that some berries carry natural power that can help protect your heart, your brain, your immune system, and even your eyesight as you get older. These aren't fancy pills or miracle cures, just real foods that have quietly been helping people feel better and stay stronger for generations. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 powerful berries that can support your health in a natural, gentle way. Each one has something special to offer, from fighting inflammation to helping your brain stay clear, your heart stay strong, and your body feel more balanced. And don't worry, you won't need to make any complicated recipes. These are simple to add into your day, and they actually taste good too. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Drop your city or state in the comments below. I always love seeing how far our community is reaching. 1. Acai berries. These small, dark purple berries come from the Amazon rainforest, but you don't need to travel that far to get the benefits. Acai berries are now available in the US in powder, frozen packs, or even smoothie blends. And they're not just trendy, they're packed with real nutrients that older adults can truly benefit from. So what makes acai special? It's all about antioxidants, natural compounds that help fight the stress and damage our cells face every day. As we age, our cells become more sensitive to damage caused by toxins, processed food, and even stress. Over time, this damage can affect how we feel, how we look, and how quickly we bounce back after illness or tiredness. Acai berries help by providing omega-9 fats, fiber, and anthocyanins, a powerful group of antioxidants that protect your cells from aging too fast. One thing many seniors notice after adding acai to their routine is improved skin and energy. Some say their skin looks less dry or dull, while others feel more alert and less tired in the afternoon. And because acai berries are low in sugar, they're a good choice for people managing diabetes or trying to avoid blood sugar spikes. You won't find them too sweet, but you will find them satisfying, especially when blended with a few other berries and some almond milk. Let me tell you about Samuel, a 77-year-old who simply added a scoop of acai powder to his morning smoothie. He wasn't expecting much, he just wanted to try something new. But after a few months, he noticed that his skin wasn't as flaky, and his joints felt a little looser when he got out of bed. He wasn't jumping over fences, but he wasn't moving like a rusty gate either. Small difference, big impact. The key here is consistency. Acai isn't a quick fix, but it's a gentle support your body will notice over time. Just be sure to avoid the pre-made acai bowls that are loaded with added sugar. Instead, go for plain frozen acai puree or unsweetened powder. Blend it yourself, that way, you control what goes in. For seniors looking for graceful aging from the inside out, acai berries are a quiet but powerful helper. 2. Goji berries. Now let's talk about goji berries, those tiny red berries you might have seen in health food stores or in herbal teas. They may look like dried raisins, but don't let their size fool you. These little berries are packed with immune-boosting nutrients, and they've been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine to help people stay strong, sharp, and protected from illness. For older adults, that makes them especially valuable. As we age, our immune system naturally slows down. You may find yourself catching colds more often, or it takes longer to bounce back from infections. This isn't just about staying well in the winter, it's about keeping your body ready to fight off inflammation, viruses, and other stressors year-round. Goji berries contain vitamin A, beta-carotene, and something called polysaccharides, all of which help support the white blood cells that defend your body from illness. But there's another benefit you may not expect: eye health. Goji berries contain zeaxanthin, a rare antioxidant that protects the retina from damage as we age. That means clearer vision, less strain, and a lower risk of developing macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss after 60. Think of it as a natural way to keep your eyes sharper, longer. Let me share a quick story. Frank, age 82, started drinking a cup of goji berry tea every evening. He didn't expect anything major, just thought it might help him sleep better. But during his next eye exam, his doctor noticed that his vision had slightly improved. That's rare at that age. The doctor said the nutrients from the goji berries may have helped reduce inflammation around the retina. It wasn't a miracle, just steady, gentle support that worked quietly over time. You don't need a lot. A small handful of dried goji berries a day is enough. You can eat them as a snack, stir them into oatmeal, brew them as tea, or mix them into a smoothie. Just make sure you buy the unsweetened kind. Some packaged versions come with added sugar, which cancels out the benefits. Also, check that they're sourced cleanly. Organic or trusted brands are best. If you're someone who wants to stay protected without relying too much on pills or supplements, goji berries are a simple and natural option. They support your immune system and your eyesight, two things you definitely want to protect as you grow older. 3. Blackberries. You might have enjoyed them as a summer snack or in a pie years ago, but you may not realize how much power these little fruits hold for your health today. Especially as we grow older, blackberries can be one of the easiest and tastiest ways to take care of your heart. Here's why they matter. As we age, many of us deal with higher cholesterol, rising blood pressure, and stiff arteries. These issues make the heart work harder than it should. But blackberries are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and a group of natural compounds called flavonoids, which help your blood vessels stay flexible and reduce inflammation in the arteries. That means better blood flow, steadier blood pressure, and less strain on your heart overall. Blackberries also contain anthocyanins, the same type of antioxidants found in blueberries. These help fight the kind of cell damage that speeds up aging and increases the risk of heart disease. Plus, blackberries are high in ellagic acid, which has been linked to lowering inflammation throughout the body. That's a big bonus, especially for older adults who may already be dealing with joint pain or fatigue caused by silent inflammation. Let's take the example of Eleanor, 75. Her doctor told her that while her blood pressure wasn't dangerously high, it was slowly climbing. She wasn't ready to start medication yet and wanted to try a natural step first. She began eating half a cup of blackberries every morning, either stirred into yogurt or just plain. After 3 months, her numbers looked a little better. But what she really noticed was that she felt more clear-headed and less tired throughout the day. Another big plus, blackberries are low in sugar and won't spike your blood glucose. That makes them a smart choice for people managing diabetes or prediabetes, which many older adults are. Unlike some fruits that raise your sugar levels quickly, blackberries give you sweetness without the crash, thanks to their high fiber content. If fresh blackberries are hard to find in your area or too pricey out of season, don't worry, frozen blackberries are just as healthy. Keep a bag in your freezer and thaw what you need. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or just eat them plain. Your heart will thank you for it. 4. Cranberries. Most people think of them around Thanksgiving or in sweetened juice form. But when it comes to everyday health, especially for people over 60, cranberries are one of the most powerful tools you can use to support your urinary system and protect your kidneys. As we age, many of us, especially women, start facing issues like urinary tract infections, UTIs. They might seem small, but they can be painful, tiring, and dangerous if not treated. In older adults, even a minor infection can spread quickly to the kidneys or cause confusion and fatigue. That's where cranberries come in. They contain a natural plant compound called proanthocyanidins that help stop harmful bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. Instead of taking hold, the bacteria are flushed out before they can cause problems. One woman, Margaret, age 80, had struggled with UTIs for years. It became a frustrating cycle: infection, antibiotics, temporary relief, and then it would start again. On her doctor's advice, she began taking a daily cranberry supplement, just a small capsule each morning. After a few months, the infection stopped coming back. She said she felt more comfortable, less bloated, and more at ease in her daily routine. It was a quiet shift, but it made a huge difference in her quality of life. Cranberries also help support your kidneys, which work hard to filter waste and manage the impact of multiple medications. The anti-inflammatory properties in cranberries reduce strain on the kidneys and help prevent calcium buildup, one of the causes of kidney stones. If you're someone who's on medication for blood pressure, diabetes, or cholesterol, your kidneys are already working overtime. Cranberries give them a little extra help, naturally. Now, here's an important note: not all cranberry products are good. Most store-bought cranberry juices are loaded with added sugars, which older adults should avoid. Instead, look for unsweetened cranberry juice in small amounts, dried cranberries with no added sugar, or capsules with a high percentage of real cranberry extract. Always check the label. For something so small, cranberries can quietly support two of the most important systems in your body, your urinary tract and your kidneys. A small dose each day can help you stay comfortable, balanced, and protected. 5. Blueberries. You've seen them in muffins, on pancakes, or mixed into oatmeal. But what many people don't realize is that blueberries are not just delicious, they're one of the best things you can eat to protect your brain as you age. As we grow older, it's natural to feel a little forgetful now and then. You might walk into a room and forget why. Or you search for a word that used to come easily. That's not always a sign of something serious, it's often just your brain needing a little more support. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, the same antioxidants we mentioned earlier, and they help reduce oxidative stress in the brain. This means they protect your brain cells from damage caused by aging, toxins, and even poor sleep. Blueberries also support blood flow to the brain, which is important for memory, focus, and clear thinking. As circulation slows down with age, your brain doesn't get the oxygen it needs, and that's when things like brain fog and confusion start creeping in. Eating blueberries regularly can help keep those pathways strong and active. Take Betty, a 79-year-old who started adding half a cup of frozen blueberries to her oatmeal each morning. Within a few weeks, she noticed something simple but important: she wasn't misplacing her keys as often. She remembered names faster at her weekly book club. And she just felt less cloudy, as she put it. Her doctor told her she was doing one of the smartest things she could for her brain, and it didn't involve any pills or fancy treatments. But brain health isn't just about memory. Blueberries also help improve coordination and balance, which can reduce your risk of falling, something that becomes more important after 60. A sharper brain means quicker reactions, better decision-making, and more confidence when moving around. The best part is how easy it is to add blueberries to your routine. Fresh or frozen, both work equally well. Just toss them into yogurt, sprinkle them on cereal, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy a small bowl as a snack. They're low in sugar, high in fiber, and naturally satisfying. Blueberries may be small, but their impact is huge. They help protect your mind, improve your balance, and support your independence, one handful at a time. So now that we've talked through these 5 amazing berries, acai, goji, blackberries, cranberries, and blueberries, take a moment to think, are any of these already part of your daily routine? Or is there one that stood out to you, something you might be willing to try starting tomorrow? You've lived long enough to know that health isn't about shortcuts. It's about care, consistency, and choosing what helps you feel strong, not just for today, but for the days to come. So whether you're starting with a handful of blackberries, a spoon of acai in your smoothie, or a few dried goji berries in your tea, take that first step. Your body is still listening. It's still responding. And it's never too late to give it the support it deserves. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Was there a berry on this list that surprised you? Or maybe one you're going to try starting today? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Hearing from you helps us keep creating content that matters, and your stories often inspire others in ways you might not expect. If this video helped you or made you think differently about something simple like fruit, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with someone you care about. Thank you for spending this time with us. We're honored to be part of your wellness journey.